In this video, we're going to talk about profitability, how to calculate the profitability of products you already have in mind, or products you already produce. You want to see how much you can actually earn on Amazon. This file will give you a general idea of how much profit you can actually make for each sale you make on Amazon. And it allows you, before launching a product on Amazon, to see if there's really a profit to be made and if it's really worthwhile. If you don't already have this file, in the description in the first link, you have direct access to this file. Click on it, and you how many customers generally make returns. I estimate 1.5%. You can go up to 2.5% for example, which is 30 cents, so the VAT is passed on directly here. And then we have internal advertising, so internal advertising. 412 to 425. This is something that is mandatory to do on Amazon, especially during the launch phase because you won't actually edit it directly, but you'll make a copy of it. So you'll need to click on File here, click on Create a Copy, and then you can edit it. So here we are on Product 1.